What if everything you've ever known, every memory, every feeling, was nothing more than a meticulously crafted illusion? New evidence from cutting-edge science is pointing to a shocking truth. We might be living inside a simulation. Prepare to have your understanding of reality fundamentally reshaped. Look around you. Everything you see, feel, and experience isn't real. This isn't a line from a movie. It's the foundation of a serious scientific and philosophical idea known as the simulation hypothesis. The theory proposes that our reality is not a base, physical world, but an elaborate computer program, a simulation so advanced that we, the inhabitants, are completely unaware of its artificial nature. For centuries, this was a question for philosophers. But now, new evidence from the frontiers of physics and computer science is forcing even the most skeptical thinkers to revisit this age-old question with fresh eyes. If we live in a simulation, there should be clues in the code, digital footprints in the fabric of reality. One of the most compelling hints comes from a concept called computational irreducibility. This is the idea that some complex systems can't be predicted with a shortcut. You have to run the simulation step by step to see the outcome. Our universe seems to work this way, which is exactly how you would expect a computer program to behave. There appear to be fundamental limits, almost like processing constraints, on the smallest possible units of space, time, and energy. Then there's the evidence from cosmology itself. Physicists have long been baffled by the universe's surprising fine-tuning. The fundamental constants of nature seem to be dialed in with impossible precision to allow for life to exist. If gravity were a tiny bit stronger, the universe would have collapsed back on itself. A tiny bit weaker, and stars and galaxies would never have formed. This incredible uniformity and just right configuration is statistically baffling in a random universe. But it makes perfect sense if the parameters were intentionally designed or selected for a specific outcome. If our world is a program, shouldn't there be bugs? Some people point to phenomena like the Mandela effect, where large groups of people misremember the same detail, or moments of déjà vu, as potential glitches, or the system reloading a previous state. While these can often be explained by the quirks of human memory, reframing them as simulation artifacts is a tantalizing thought. More scientifically, there's the information paradox of black holes. The idea that information can be deleted or compressed when it enters a black hole aligns strangely well with data management in a computer system. Could black holes be the universe's ultimate data compression algorithm or a cosmic recycle bin? Even the act of observation changing reality in quantum mechanics could be interpreted as the simulation rendering a result only when a conscious observer needs to see it, to save on processing power. This isn't just a fringe theory anymore. Some of the world's brightest minds are taking it seriously. Visionaries like Elon Musk have stated the odds are billions to 1 that we are living in base reality. Philosophers like Nick Bostrom proposed a powerful argument. If any civilization ever reaches a point where they can create convincing simulations of their ancestors, they would likely run billions of them. This means the number of simulated realities would vastly outnumber the one base reality, making it statistically probable that we are in one of the simulations. Now, scientists are moving beyond pure speculation. Physicists working on quantum gravity are exploring whether spacetime itself is pixelated at the smallest possible scale, which would be a smoking gun for a digital universe. Researchers are developing mathematical models and statistical tests, looking for specific patterns in cosmic rays or the distribution of galaxies that could only be explained by the universe being run on a specific type of computational grid. So let's say it's true. Let's say we unbox the ultimate secret and prove we are living in a simulation. What would that mean for us? On one hand, it could lead to a profound existential crisis. Is our free will real? Is there a purpose? Or are we just characters in someone else's program? But on the other hand, it could open up incredible new avenues of discovery. Understanding the underlying code could lead to a deeper understanding of consciousness itself. This leads us to the most thrilling and perhaps terrifying question of all. If we are in a simulation, what are our next moves? How do we find the source code? How do we contact the programmers? The search for answers has begun, and every new discovery brings us one step closer to uncovering the ultimate nature of our reality. The unboxing has started. What do you think we will find? Let us know in the comments below, and if you're ready to question everything, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.